This is going to be so good. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Asian style roast chicken. So let's start cooking. We'll now prepare the marinade for the roast chicken. In a large Ziploc bag, add in one small bunch of kaffir lime leaf. Take out the spine, of course, and just squeeze them a little bit to release the fragrance. Put them in. 2 stalks of lemongrass using only the white stem or the white stalk. Lightly just smash them a little bit. Put them in. 2 whole shallots and 4 cloves of garlic, also lightly smashed. Put them in. 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 15 grams of young ginger, also lightly smashed. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now we'll mix them up well. Mix them up really well. Now normally what I like to do is, I like to take the bag out and using my hand, so just squeeze them a little like this to release all the beautiful fragrances that all these different ingredients that we have inside here. Okay. Just mix them up well like this. And now we'll add in our chicken. I have with me over here 1 whole chicken. This is approximately 1.2 kilogram. Put it in. I'll just wash my hand first. Let the air out as much as possible if you can. Seal it up a little bit. And we'll mix all this beautiful marinade all over the chicken and also inside the cavity. After you've done this, you'll put this in the fridge and marinate them for at least 4 hours. Make sure that you remove the chicken from the fridge 1 hour before you roast it and return it to room temperature so that it will cook evenly. I'll see you back in a while. We have marinated the chicken for more than 4 hours. I've taken it out for more than 1 hour just to reduce it to room temperature. Remember to heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We'll now put all these beautiful ingredients into the cavity of the chicken. Just stuff everything in. Once you're done with this, we'll proceed to roast this in the oven. Before we place the chicken in, normally I would like to put a tray of water. Why is that so? So that it will not be too smoky and it will be much easier to clean the oven and the chicken will cook evenly. Now we'll put the chicken in, breast side up. We'll roast this for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll see you back in a while. Smells really good. 40 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, it has browned beautifully. I'm just going to turn it to the other side. Look at how beautiful the color is. Let's turn this over. And I'll let this roast for another 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, it has really browned beautifully. Just let us see whether it's cooked already or not. Just use a sharp knife or a skewer and just poke at the thickest part. If you see color liquid oozing out, that means it's not cooked. Right now, I think this is done. So we'll rest this for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will cut this up. And now the chicken is done, let's have a taste. Just going to cut 1 piece of the drumstick up. This is going to be so good. Right. I'll give this a taste now. So full of flavor, so juicy, really tender. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Oh. Off the board, man.
Bang.